Last session of this video. In this video, we're going to talk about Tic Tac Toe. We're going to do a basic introduction to what Tic Tac Toe game is. Tic Tac Toe is just a type of game that is being played by two or more persons. Tic Tac Toe is just like a kind of a crossbar, and a dash kind of game. I'm going to show you using my word pad. Let me hold over to my word pad. So let me hold over my word pad. Let me go to what is it called? Painting. I think it's painting. Yeah, I'm going to let me extend this a little bit so we know what we are doing. Okay, what exactly is a tic tac toe? Like I said, it's type of a game, the basic type of a game, the simplest type of game that is being played by two or more persons. So this is how tic tac toe game board is. I know some of us might have heard about it, but we don't know the name as tic tac toe game. So this is how it's being represented. Just this dash guy, and then I'm going to have this dash guy, and then we're going to have this cross. We're going to have this cross. This is just a tic-tac-toe game board. This is how it's being represented. Two type of player, which is for number one is that of X, and second one is for O. So these are the two players that we have. Let's say in a situation, I know some of us have played this game. Let's say a situation where player one, assuming it's two player, we have O. He played O here, and then we have X here, which stand for player two, and player two. Let's say player two played here also, and player two played here also. So in this way, let's say player O played here, player O played here. Let's assume player O played here. And then player X, let's say player 1 played here, and then it's time for player 2, which is the O. I played there. You can win in many ways. You can see player this way, player 2 1, and also here player 2 1. So this leads us to our next winning ways. How can a player win? Player can win in this column 1, 2, 3. This is 1, like this guy 2, and this guy 3. You can also win in row 2, which is this guy 1, this guy 2, and this guy 3. You can also win in that of diagonal way. Diagonal, which is here is a diagonal 1. Let's assume that here is diagonal 1, and here is diagonal 2. These are these are the many ways a player can win. I know some of us have come across it, but if you have not come across it, it's just basically how it works. Basically how it's being played. Mostly done by two players. You can play by multiple two or more persons, but it's mostly enjoyed by two players. So this is what I'm going to talk about in this this series of Python programming tutorial. So we are going to make a separate a folder for it for this game. I'm going to make a separate folder for it, so we won't collide with our Python series tutorial. So that's basically what I want us to cover in this video. So if you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. You can also hit the like. So I'll be happy to see you in the next video.